So hey guys, here I got this awesome car cover I wanted to share with you guys here. Comes in this little bag, a storage bag. Now I don't use car covers a lot, but I know a lot of you guys park outside in areas that you get a lot of different kind of bugs and stuff. And I want to share this one. This one's really nice and it's not going to break the bank either. And it does a great job protecting the car and it fits it perfect. Even has a cutout right here, has a zipper. So you can unzip it to get in the driver's door. So you don't need to take the whole thing off. Like cheap ones have it so you have to like try to weasel your way into the driver's door if you forgot something, or go to the house while taking it all off again. So this is nice. And you can store it in this bag here. It's from the same company that I got the steering wheel cover from. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. I'll unroll it here a little bit. So here's what the outside looks like. It's nice. It has multiple layers here. This is like a reflective coating too. So it's going to reflect the sun as well. So it's going to keep the inside cooler too if it's parked outside or you store your car outside for a long period of time. And it's very soft inside here. So you don't have to worry about scratching your car. You know, it's really like durable, you can tell. Like it's not going to do damage to your car. It's really nice. And this company has different sizes. This is the extra large, which these cars need because it goes off the length. So if you got to order that, know that this is the XXL one. But the easiest way is you put it on the nose first, and then you're just gonna take the middle of it and then drag it across the whole back here. And then you fit one side on the left rear and the right side on the rear, and just tuck it. I'm not gonna bore you guys showing you how to put a car cover on, but I'll go ahead and put it on and then you can see how it fits, okay? So let me go ahead and put this on the car really quick. Okay, so here's what it looks like on the car. I like how it has like little mirror cutouts so it doesn't stretch too tight over there. Really nice. Fits great. Has these hooks here that go underneath. I'll show you. You just drag this one underneath the front and you're going to attach it to the other side here, and then you cinch it down. So if it's really windy or something, you don't have to worry about it blowing off your car. And the back one has that too. So it's really nice, guys. Let me show you here. I know this has been stored all wrinkled, so when you put it in the sun, it'll all come out, so it's not all wrinkled up. So here's the clip on the right side, and then the left side's gonna have the long strap here, and you just drag it. It goes underneath the bumper, and you snap it in there, and you tighten it up. And don't put the car covers on, of course, right after you drive it. You know, because you will be going around where the mufflers are and it can catch a fire. So beware of that. But I mean, look at it. It fits really good. It's not hard to put on. There's enough give to it and elastic in the front and back. So it fits. It's really nice. And you don't have to worry about bird droppings or sap, or if you guys are storing your car. And this is probably the best selling point of this. That has a zipper here. How many times you put a car cover on and you have to get in your car for whatever reason, forgot your phone, you know, then you have to try to get through the side of it or take the whole thing off again. Then it kind of falls apart. So it's really nice that it has that feature on it. Let me show you here too, like the back side of it. See, it has this cover too. So you don't have to worry about the zipper laying against the car. It's all covered. So you're not going to scratch your car putting the zipper up and down. It has a little jacket on it. So let me go ahead and open this up for you guys. Okay, so there it is, all opened up. I'll try to do this with one hand here. I should have got the tripod out to show you guys here, but you just got to pull the car cover up so the door is actually released. See if I can halfway show you here what I'm talking about. Okay, let me show you. I'll prop this open. Okay, so you have to pull the car cover up so the door can actually release here. So here now, you can get inside the car, do what you need to do, grab something you forgot it. That's it. Then pull the cover out of the way, slam the door, and zip it back down. That to me is a great point. If you guys do use car covers, it's something that you don't have to worry about. So you can actually have access to it, which is nice because it's like taking this on and off all the time. If it was going to be stored and you just had to get in really quick, you know, it's just a nice thing. And for The money this costs, well under $100, guys. You can't beat it. I've seen car covers out there and they're pretty expensive. You know, and I like this one. The fit and the finish. Protects the car, that's the main thing. It's not rough. It has the jacket for the zipper here. It has the reflectors on the mirrors and on the front and rear bumpers too. So if it's dark where you guys live, you can kind of see your car. And somebody else, if you live on a driveway where other cars come in and out, they can actually see it. You know, won't run into it. And like I said, it is wrinkled. It's been stored, all folded up, so you know those will come out. Leave it out in the sun around your car, it'll be fine. So it's not really exciting, but it's very useful. Like I said, if you guys live out, have your car parked outside for extended period of time, you know, I don't think people use them for every day if you daily drive your car, but if you store it for a long period of time, put it on, you know, because as you guys know, watching my other videos, the paint is not the strongest on this car. So if you leave sap on it for a long time in the 100-degree weather, it can etch the paint. You know, so something like this, I mean, under $100 to save your paint, you know how much it costs to repaint a roof or a hood. I mean, so I would definitely pick one up if you guys have issues like that and put it on your car. And this is a good one, and it won't break the bank, guys. So I hope that helps you if you're in search of one. And definitely check them out on Amazon, guys. I'll put the link in the description. Okay? So I hope everyone's doing good. I appreciate all you guys' support on my channel. I really do. You helped me grow this along the way. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Take care, everyone.